And let's go to Akmed. Hello, Akmed.
Hi, Jim. How you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
Good, thank you. Um, Now I'm citizen already. I got my citizenship through marriage from a previous marriage from before.
Okay.
Okay, so my marriage was in 2005, and I was married for just 1 month, so I didn't apply for anything, and then I got picked up by ICE in back in 2005. Just for one day, they got fingerprints and picture and stuff like that, and they released me. Now, after all these years, like 20 years, now I'm married to a different woman. Now my wife is Palestinian. I applied for the I-130. It was approved.
Wait. Hold on. You went from being in immigration detention, and now you're married to a Palestinian woman. You skipped some things. How did you get your citizenship?
Yeah, from my previous marriage, from like back my first wife.
Okay. When did that marriage end?
It ended in 2009.
And when did you marry the Palestinian lady?
In 2023.
So, safe to say that you didn't even know this Palestinian woman back when you were
Oh
married.
yeah. But I have another marriage in between. Like I was married again in 2018, but got divorced in 2020.
Okay. Did anyone get an immigration benefit out of that marriage?
No,
So
no.
you just married like an American person.
Right, she was an American. Yes,
Okay. All right. So we're on marriage number 3. We're married to a Palestinian. Have we filed the I-130? Okay.
yes, and it's approved. I'm living abroad. Actually, I'm not living in the US. Like I left the US in 2020. Now I'm living in UAE since 2020, end
Okay.
of 2020.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm married to her, to my wife now, and applied for the I-130 approved. Now the case is at the NVC. Now my question is, will they dig in my older case, because my older case was like a bad case. Like I think, like there was a age gap between me and my ex-wife. I got picked up by ICE. I don't know. Like I was out of status when I got married. So will they revisit my file?
What do you
Will
think?
that?
What do you think?
I don't. That's what I'm asking. I don't know.
Come on. What does your gut say? If Donald Trump's in charge, the State Department doesn't want to let Palestinians come to the United States. They're looking for people to denaturalize. They're looking for cases that are messy. We're on marriage number 3. Is there an age gap between you and the Palestinian lady?
I'm older, 6 years older than her.
So that's not bad. Okay. All right.
I got two kids now with her. My first two kids.
So what? So based on everything we've talked about, do you think they're going to look at your prior marriage?
I think so, because like my ex-wife was older than me. She was like 10 years older than me.
Yeah,
Uh,
they're going to think that you paid that woman to get your green card. Sure.
okay. So what to do now? Like don't file for my wife, like or
Well, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying. I mean, let's do it like this. What was your first wife's name? First name?
Jackie.
Hi, Jackie. This is the fraud unit of USCIS. We're here to talk to you about your marriage back in 2009 to Akmed. Remember, he was in removal, and then he got married to you and was able to get a green card. Was that a real marriage, or did you just do that to help him out with his immigration problem?
You're asking me what she would answer?
That's right.
Uh, no, it was a real marriage.
That doesn't mean that's what she's going to say.
That's true.
So what is she going to say? They're going to say, "Hey, we're here from ICE and the fraud unit. We think that he paid you. We think that you solved his immigration problems. We think there was a big age gap. This is a weak marriage. We never would have approved this now. We're going to put you in jail unless you tell us right now the truth. This is your one shot to tell us the truth as to whether or not your marriage to Ahmed was real or fake, because that's what they'll do."
It was real, but I don't know what she's gonna say. I lost contact with her since 2000, maybe 11 or something, 2010, 2011. I lost contact with her, not even once.
How long did you get divorced before or after you became a citizen?
Before,
So how long after you got your green card did you get divorced?
not long.
What's not long?
I mean, maybe right after I got my permanent green card. No, actually, it was before the permanent green card. No, after. I'm sorry, after the permanent green card.
How long after the permanent green card did you leave?
Maybe just right, maybe a few months, maybe 4, 5, 6 months.
Was she happy about that or was she pissed?
Oh, she called the FBI on me. She was pissed.
So she's already called the FBI.
Yeah, she did. That was back in 2010. I got a visit from an FBI agent at my work.
What did they say?
They said, we are here because someone made accusations to you that you involved in some trouble, and they knew that they were nice. They were saying, we know this is probably like a lie, but we have to finish up our paperwork.
And
So
when they came to talk to you, were they specifically talking about immigration or were they trying to talk about something else, like you were involved in criminal activity or something?
something else, not about immigration, something else. Like she was like she just made up some bullshit lies about me and my friends, and they visited me. They visited one of my friends at his work.
So safe to say, if she's confident enough to rat you out to the FBI, she's probably not going to have much nice to say to USCIS about you.
Probably.
Yeah. So I think you file at risk of your own citizenship.
Right. That's my question. So what do I have to do now? Like
What do you want me to do? I mean, I mean, to me, you're asking me, Jim, I mean, first of all, there's a pause on Palestinians coming to the United States. Number two,
right.
You haven't lived here for 5 years. Number three, there's probably an FBI file and a USCIS file on you, and they would like nothing more than to try to take away your citizenship. So I probably would stay out of the United States, and I probably wouldn't apply for jack squat.
Okay. So I mean, like drag this out until this administration like goes away and wait for the next one.
At the least.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, Akmed.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Have a good day. Yep.
You.
All right. Well, as somebody said, we started off with a bang.